Good evening and welcome to ThaiPBS World. The outbreak of the coronavirus in the Chinese city of Wuhan, the epicenter of the deadly virus, continues to spread, with dozens of new infections reported. And with Chinese tourists continuing to arrive in Thailand, and with many Thais still being stranded in Wuhan, which has been locked down since last week. One question that is in the mind of many Thais is, what is the Thai government doing in coping with the situation? As we are reporting, the death toll from coronavirus in Wuhan stands at 80, with almost 2,800 infection cases confirmed. At least 15 Chinese cities with a combined population of over 57 million have been placed under full or partial lockdown. To underscore the severity of the situation, Chinese Prime Minister Li Keqiang today became the most senior government official to visit Wuhan since the outbreak started. Wearing a green face mask, he inspected efforts to contain the pandemic and spoke with patients and medical staff at the hospital, where most patients infected with coronavirus are being looked after, according to a Chinese government statement. As new infections are being reported also in other parts of the world, Thai authorities express confidence they are prepared to deal with the situation after 8 Chinese tourists were reported to be infected. Deputy Prime Minister Anuthin Charnvirakul said this morning that 5 of them had already been treated and sent back to China, while the rest are under observation. He gave an assurance that the Public Health Ministry has the situation under control and urged the public not to be alarmed by the spread of the virus. He also said there is no need to stop arrival of Chinese tourists, as he expressed confidence in the effectiveness of the monitoring and screening of passengers from high-risk areas at all international airports in Thailand. In an address to the nation this evening, Prime Minister Prayut listed a series of actions taken by various government agencies in coping with the fallout from the crisis. He insisted that the screening of suspected infected cases so far has been 100% effective, with authorities having identified the 8 Chinese tourists who were infected. He called on the public not to panic and gave an assurance that the government will keep the people updated with timely news and information on the epidemic. As the situation in Wuhan worsens, the Thai government faces increasing pressure on how to help Thais stranded in the Chinese city. Earlier in the morning, Prime Minister Prayut said he has ordered military planes to be on standby to evacuate Thais stranded in Wuhan, if necessary. Prayut said so far there has been no request for evacuation from Thai people in Wuhan. Any evacuation, however, needs prior consent from Chinese authorities, he said. The plight of Thai people in Wuhan was highlighted by Facebook posts of some of the Thai students at Wuhan University. In one of the posts, a Thai student said students on the campus were facing food shortage as they were given no advance notice about the lockdown, and there were no transports to take them out to buy supplies. Another Thai student said on Facebook Live she and her student friends had stocked food enough for only 2 weeks and were concerned about a prolonged lockdown. They issued a plea to be evacuated to another city not affected by the virus. Government spokeswoman Narumon Pinyosinwat said today the Prime Minister had already been informed of the situation of the Thai students in Wuhan and has instructed all agencies concerned to be prepared in helping them. Air Force Commander-in-Chief, Air Chief Marshal Manat Wongwat said the Air Force has 3 to 4 C-130 transport planes on standby, along with a few medical teams for an emergency evacuation of Thais in Wuhan. According to Thai Embassy in Beijing, there are 46 Thais who have registered as living in Wuhan, including 49 students. Deputy Permanent Secretary of the Foreign Ministry, Thanavet Kosit, said Thailand has been in close consultation with China on the spread of the virus. He said Thai agencies concerned are ready to fly in to provide assistance to Thai people or to evacuate them if necessary once the lockdown in Wuhan is lifted. Tana was speaking to reporters after a meeting of the so-called Rapid Response Center to deal with the coronavirus crisis. Representatives from various government agencies, including the Defense, Public Health, Immigration, Foreign Affairs and Tourism, took part in the meeting to map out coordinated efforts to address the crisis. Meanwhile, the partial ban on travel imposed by Chinese authorities is expected to have a strong impact on Thailand's tourism. Chinese tourists account for the biggest group of foreign visitors to Thailand, with 11 million arrivals last year. Tourism and Sports Minister Pipat Ratchakit Prakan said today that the shutdown of Chinese cities and the ban on all outbound tour groups by the Chinese government will cost Thailand around 50 billion baht in lost tourism revenue. And ThaiPBS World will keep you updated on the epidemic. And that's all for ThaiPBS World tonight. Thank you for watching.